Hey beauties, welcome back. It's the real Chole. She's back in the building, and I'm gonna show y'all how I achieved this beautiful, stunning, gorgeous, juicy, curly crochet hair. And this is no leave out. That's my main priority when it comes to protective styles, because a lot of these protective styles don't really be protecting your hair, and you can leave this style in a long time because this is human hair. I want to thank HOTBRAIDS for sponsoring today's video. You guys have such amazing quality hair. I've used this hair before. I've used it for boho knotless braids. I'll link that video down below as well. Let me jump into the specs of this hair and show y'all the quality straight out the bag. I love the fact that this crochet hair is human hair. You can reuse this. Only need one pack of their bundles for your crochet. I'm a little nervous about this. As a hairstylist, I normally would use maybe like 3 packs of crochet hair to get a full look, you know? We're gonna see. We're gonna put this one bundle to the test. This hair texture is 3B, 3C. The hair is super soft. Doesn't have like a smell or stinky smell or anything. HOTBRAIDS literally has so many different textures. You can find your natural texture, 4C, 4B, 4A. They have mixtures, which is perfect for me because I feel like my natural hair has like 3 hair textures. This isn't your usual crochet hair. This is the feather crochet hair that everybody has been talking about, where you have these really small like strings almost at the base of the hair. It just makes it a little bit more seamless and natural. And I got the 18-inch bundles, which I'm a little nervous about because this is kind of giving short. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of giving short. I think it'll be like a nice like shoulder length vibe. And I also love that HOTBRAIDS gives you a crochet needle. So girl, I don't even have to leave my house. This got sent to my door and I didn't have to leave out the house except to get my hair braided. That's it. So first of all, they give you a spray bottle. They also provide you with some hair clips and a crochet needle. They also give you okay, we're giving the girls options. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the tutorial. So we are starting with our foundation. The foundation, I feel like, is really key. Especially if you plan on having this style in for a while. So some really neat braids that will last you. This is a single strand. As you can see, is connected by a thin thread, which makes it very undetectable when you install it in your hair. It looks very natural. How can we only need one bundle? I'm very nervous about that. So I'm starting at the front because if anything, I could still leave out the house with a little bit of the back not being done. So I'm gonna start at the first braid. Oh, these are tight, baby. Oh, she was not playing. Oh, and then I'm going to insert the thread into the crochet hook and then close it, and then pull it through, take it off the hook, open up your hair like so, and you should have one side with the loop and one side just loose hair, and then you just bring them through the loop. Wow, that looks so good. That looks so good. Like, what? That is so thin. It's no like big bulky knot. Oh, this might eat. Okay, like these have volume. Like, I cannot wait to style this. Since my hair is going to be in this style long term, I want to make sure I am keeping my braids nice and moisturized. So I'm gonna be using some Jamaican black castor oil. Well, this is just castor oil. I ran out of Jamaican black castor. Like I've seen people say it takes them like 2 hours, but maybe they're including the braid time. And since I got my hair braided, it only took me like 45 minutes to get my hair braided like this. This is 10 strands of their hair. What? This looks so good. 10 strands and it's already like this. Okay, y'all, so I ended up doing the other side. When I tell y'all, it literally took me like 5 minutes to do this, like 5 rows of these. So cute. Do we think we're gonna have enough hair? I don't know. I don't know. We gotta wait and see, because how much more do I have? He's able. I have a seed in the ground that is blessing. No more stressing to reap what I have sown. My season for grace, for favor. Said he's feeling what? In my direction. It is currently 9:55. I mean 9:45. That is exactly an hour. And look how full the top portion is. Like what? I still have a couple rows. I did two rows on this side. And I need to finish these like back in the left side rows. So we still got some work to do. I feel like I could have went a little less heavy-handed. Let's see how much I have left. It's time that I bring out my 3-way mirror, because there's no way I'm gonna be able to see how this back looks for real. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Okay, it don't look like that much needs to be, well, kind of. Thank you, because I need to do this back section. And mind y'all, I have this much hair. Is this gonna cover the whole back of my head? I don't know. I really don't know. How does it look? Is it full? Obviously, we have to do something about this part. Like the fact that you can still see that it's a braid. Like we gotta do something about that. And like this whole front section, we're going to define the curls and everything tomorrow. Today was just installation day. Good morning, y'all. We are back at it. Like I showed y'all yesterday, this is how I went from braids exposed in the front to barely any braids exposed. And I need to work on this middle part because, well, I've been working on this side. Like you can literally see the exposed braids. I would say 1 pack of hair is enough, but it's not, because I have I wouldn't say a really small head. I feel like I have a normal small head, and I feel like I could use like a half a pack more. If you have a smaller head than me, go ahead and get you a pack. But I want to be honest and transparent, because you know, who wants to waste their money getting something and it's not even going to cover their whole head? Basically what I'm doing right now is taking the very front piece, because I'm taking one whole crochet piece, and I'm looping it back through the front, but in a like different direction. Oh God, that hurts so bad. Okay, so that's why you kind of want to just only take the end piece, because it's thinner and it can just easily glide through that little teeny crochet space that you made. So see how it just like eliminates that braid space in the front. And we're just gonna keep doing that through the entire perimeter of our hair.
So as you can see, one side is giving boneless and the other side looks a little bit more full. So I'm going to show you guys how I did that. I'm going to just go through and stick the crochet hook into any part where I feel like it's a little boneless. And I'm just going to grab a curl from nearby that's already on my head and just place it through the hook, and it just kind of closes up that gap. So I'm going to keep going around the rest of my hair since we have no more crochet here, and just fill in these gaps that are in my head.
Okay girl, so I want to show y'all the back of my hair. So we're gonna do the same thing that we were doing to the middle part, just going through a braid, picking a piece of curly hair, just finding a curl and just attaching it to the hook and crocheting it through a different braid so that it covers up that gap. Now that I am doing this method, I can see why they say only one pack is needed, because obviously you don't want your hair to look super bulky. You can definitely do this with one pack of the HOTBRAIDS hair. Yeah, I just finished going through my parts. I might go through some more later, but this is how it looks. I feel like the back has a little bit more coverage. It doesn't look boneless in some areas. Yeah, that little trick definitely helps to make things a little bit more full and covered up. So right now I'm going to define the curls, because this is human hair. You can style it, you can do, you know, all the things that you would do with their natural hair, and you can wash it. Just to like get all the knots out, any tangles from crocheting. Then I go in with my this is the, what is this, the bounce curl brush, and I just define those curls. Like see, it kind of makes little ringlets at the bottom of the hair. Finish this one side. It looks so cute. Like, oh, obsessed. Very obsessed with how this turned out. And it, look at the length, the definition. Cute, cute. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and come back. Okay, you guys, so this is my hair after a couple hours of it like air drying and fully styled. I had to go and throw on a little cute little fit, some accessories, but look at the definition, look at the fluff. It doesn't look too overly big. I do need to add some face framing layers just because this is just so long. It's actually irritating. I do want to show y'all a couple styles that you can do with this. So I'm going to leave out some of these curls in the front. And this is why I need to create some face framing layers, because when I want to do updos like this, and look how easy, and it's, oh my God. It's literally so gorgeous. I'm gonna use a satin scrunchie. I would prefer to use one that matches the hair, but that is what I had. So once I add the layers and stuff, this will eat down. Like what? So cute. Even throw it to the side. Give You can leave a curl out or something. Ooh, let me not mess it up too much. But like just for some like added, you know, texture and whatnot, you can leave some curls down. And I tried to do as best as I could back here to make it look natural. This was my first time doing crochet and it was very easy. This is like, what? So cute. Yeah, so I'm just gonna throw this little claw clip on. I'm gonna do something like this, very big, very voluminous and extra, or we can bring it down. Okay, so boom, we got our 2 little pieces. I'm gonna claw clip that. And again, I will be cutting these long pieces just so they frame my face a little bit better. But this is so cute. And obviously, like when the hair is pulled back, you can still kind of see like the braids. We can do obviously the side part. We can do the other side. Ooh, the side part is giving sexy. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in purchasing this hair, I got this hair from Hot Braids. I will make sure to leave all the details and everything down below. As y'all know, I had locks, but your girl has been experimenting ever since combing out her locks. So yeah, so comment down below any other hairstyles you want me to try, whether that be with crochet braids. Maybe I do a little leave out next time or something. But yeah, or I can show you how I'm going to reuse this hair. Oh my gosh, because you can reuse it. It's human hair. Oh my god, genius. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.